Ever wondered why your dishwasher isn't draining properly? It's a question that can lead to unsanitary conditions and potential water damage. Common culprits include clogs in the dishwasher drain, dirty drain filters, and hoses. Don't forget to check the garbage disposal connection and clean the air gap. It's crucial to ensure proper installation and inspect the drain pump for any issues. Remember, if these quick fixes don't solve the problem, it's time to call in the pros. Avoid dirty dishes, unpleasant odors, and costly repairs. Keep your dishwasher running smoothly and your kitchen clean.